Good morning, how's everyone doing today? Today we will be making a round Ottoman 36-inch diameter that will double as a coffee table using the Rotorazor saw. So this was the initial cut with the Rotorazor saw, and you can see I'm going rather slow to just get the hang of it. Here I'm commenting on how smooth the cut is. You almost don't even need to sand it barely. This is where I put the Rotorazor saw to the test, as I am cutting a line to try to get as close of a perfect circle as I can on 3/4 inch plywood. The small nimble saw really comes in handy and becomes very useful here in this section, as you will be able to see. Next step in the process is just to sand everything and get it as smooth and close to a perfect circle as we can. Here I'm just cutting some 1x2s in 16 inches long to be able to connect the top and the bottom of the Ottoman. I used a little bit of wood glue and some 2-inch screws to hold this all together. Stick around for part 2 to see the finished product.